Report on the attack in Benghazi, Libya, reaches a damning conclusion, namely that terrorists essentially walked into the compound, set it on fire. The U.S. ambassador and 3 other Americans were killed. Our Pentagon correspondent Chris Lawrence is joining us now with the findings. Chris, update our viewers.
Well, Wolf, this new report spreads the blame for that attack, blaming intel, state, even the Pentagon to some degree, saying there was no plan in place to rescue Americans there. A new Senate report says the State Department should have shut down the Benghazi mission before the attack that killed 4 Americans. It chastised officials for relying on local militia to guard the front gate.
The terrorists essentially walked into the compound virtually unimpeded.
Senators say the State Department missed plenty of red flags. A rocket-propelled grenade hit the Red Cross in May. A bomb exploded outside the U.S. mission in June. And another RPG hit the British ambassador's convoy, prompting the U.K. to close its mission. Senators question how much more the State Department needed to see before officials realized they didn't have enough security.
We've got to close this facility because we can't protect American personnel in Benghazi.
The report also condemned communication failures, like the fact the head of the military's Africa Command didn't even know about the 24 CIA personnel stationed nearby. Senators argued if the Pentagon had the resources to respond faster, perhaps the military could have helped fight off the second attack on the CIA annex, which came hours after the first.
We should have sufficient personnel, ships, weapons, and other assets available to be able to respond in the course of several hours.
The report essentially orders intelligence agencies to look beyond terrorist organizations when assessing threats. It recommends intel officials, quote, broaden and deepen their focus in Libya and beyond on nascent violent extremist groups in the region that lack strong operational ties to core al-Qaeda or its main affiliate groups. And perhaps the most damning indictment of this report is the fact that the State Department did not follow its own recommendations from previous security failures, such as installing these so-called man traps, a sort of a high-tech gating system that senators argue may have stalled that mob at the front gate and perhaps saved some American lives, Wolf.